What are those for?
Medicine.
Yeah.
Can you take a video?
What are you going to do with those now?
We're going to put it on Buffy. Head is so big. Aww. Oh. He got 23 sets.
Buffy, you're a good patient.
Yeah, you're a good patient.
What
So at the end, I have treats for you.
What kind of treats is he going to get?
A special one. So wait, he'll get a special one. And
I'll go in my office and get
if you
the
need
kitty one.
anything, tell me.
And do you have a kitty at your house?
If you could think
We do have a
of the
kitty
doctor,
here. Do you think the kitty needs to be checked out by the veterinarian also?
No, she wants to run
Mesa,
away.
how many shots does Buffy need?
4.
For what?
5. He needs 5. So
Why?
because the allergic water will come and sprinkle him, it'll make him throw up. So I have to see how many shots he needs. There.
Did you just give him a shot in his ear?
No.
On his ear.
Oh, on his ear? Is that where the dogs get their
We
shots?
have to give him under it because he might get the allergic things that people, one of the people
And
germs
maybe
and don't
the
say.
kitty. And
"Who's
can you
this
try to
kitty
find the
looking
kitty and
Buffy?"
catch him
So he'll
she
be
can
back
come
to-
here?
I
So
have
she can come here and get something?
I don't know if she's going to want to come out if she's going to get shots.
Yeah.
We won't
Because
get
shots really hurt. Right? Pretend you're sick.
You know what? Maybe
I'm the people's.
Are you going to give your
Doctor.
mama a shot?
No.
I'm the mama doctor. I'm the dog doctor. And she's.
We're not
I'm
even
the
Mama
gonna.
doctor?
Yeah.
We're not gonna give her a shot. We're just gonna give her other stuff, not really a shot.
What other stuff?
Check her ears and her eyes and stuff.
Oh, that sounds
Ready?
good. Like a good checkup.
This is for grown-ups
Can we do
and
the kitty?
doggies.
Can we do the kitty?
Oh, I broke it.
Can we do the kitty?
Sure.
But
I'll go
we won't give her a shot, right?
Because it hurts Kitty really bad. I'm afraid she would hurt.
Yeah. What if she had to go to the real doctor?
It's okay. It doesn't hurt. Because they get it in their skin. And they have a lot of fur that protects them.
Stop Buffy. You don't eat it. Go down yourself. Okay, I'll give you a shot. And
Now-
we'll keep shot. Jeez.
Now
Buffy,
we're gonna give the kitty